Do animals really predict natural disasters? Throughout history, there have been countless anecdotes of animals behaving strangely before earthquakes, tsunamis, and other natural disasters. From dogs barking incessantly to birds flying away en masse, these unusual behaviors have intrigued scientists and laypeople alike. But is there any scientific basis to these claims, or are they simply myths? Time and time again, strange stories grab our attention. Cats pacing nervously, dogs barking incessantly, and birds suddenly abandoning their nests just before a natural disaster. Even insects disappear as if they're sensing danger. These eerie stories make us ask, could these reactions be random, or is there something extraordinary happening? Science enthusiasts, buckle up. We're about to explore the depths of these mysterious behaviors. Our planet is teeming with life forms far more attuned to nature than we are. Over millennia, animals have evolved mechanisms to sense shifts in their surroundings. But are these behaviors a reliable signal for impending danger, or just chance? To understand this, we need science on our side. Let's unpack the secrets behind animal instincts. Here's where it gets fascinating. Animals live in a sensory world we can barely imagine. By tuning in to signals like infrasonic sound waves, subtle vibrations, and air pressure changes, they've developed the ultimate early warning systems. Let's dig into how different animals demonstrate their unique superpowers. Hearing. First, let's talk about sound. Elephants, for instance, have an incredible ability to hear infrasonic sounds. These are low-frequency vibrations that humans can't detect. Such vibrations ripple through the air and ground during tectonic shifts. For elephants, it's like receiving an SOS signal from miles away, warning them to move to safety. Smell. Certain animals, like dogs, can pick up environmental changes through their powerful noses. You've probably heard about dogs detecting human illnesses or even natural gas leaks, but did you know they can also detect gases released before earthquakes? That's not magic, it's biology. Vibrations. Meanwhile, ground-dwelling animals such as snakes take alertness to new depths. Snakes feel the tiniest of seismic vibrations through the ground long before an earthquake reaches its peak. This sensitivity makes them one of nature's most effective detectors for geological activity. Air pressure. Finally, consider birds, masters of the skies. Birds react drastically to drops in barometric pressure, which is nature's signal for an approaching storm or hurricane. When conditions start shifting, you'll often see flocks taking flight in search of safer skies, an extraordinary display of survival instincts. Now, isn't it mind-blowing to see how these sensors, hearing, smell, pressure, and vibration, combine to create an entirely different way of experiencing the world? But wait, there's more proof to uncover. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of animals displaying unusual behavior before natural disasters occur. This has led many to believe that animals might have some sort of sixth sense when it comes to predicting these events. But is there any scientific basis to this belief? If you're still skeptical, let's head into the field and explore real-life scenarios where animals showed us their amazing instincts. In Sri Lanka, during the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, eyewitnesses reported elephants fleeing inland to higher ground just moments before disaster struck. Interestingly, villagers who followed the elephant's lead survived. Coincidence? Or was this nature's alarm clock? Another example comes from Japan, a hotspot for earthquakes. Many pet owners frequently observe their dogs pacing restlessly or whining shortly before tremors hit. Could these furry friends be detecting subtle changes as early harbingers? We even have stories from 2009 in Italy. Before the devastating L'Aquila earthquake, scientists noted unusual behavior in toads, which abandoned their breeding grounds days before disaster struck. These isolated accounts add to a growing body of evidence linking animal behavior to environmental cues. Clearly, something fascinating is at play here, but the question is, how can we turn these incredible instincts into tools for mankind? Scientists monitoring animal behavior with high-tech equipment, close-ups of researchers watching elephants, birds, and dogs. Do animals really predict natural disasters? This is where science and innovation meet nature's wisdom. Around the globe, researchers are carefully monitoring animal behavior to develop better disaster prediction methods. Imagine pairing advanced technology with something as simple and ancient as animal instincts. What could we achieve? In regions prone to tsunamis, scientists are observing elephants in their natural habitats. Their goal? To decode patterns in their movements that might signal an incoming disaster. And it doesn't stop there. Dogs, birds, and even reptiles are being studied to create multi-layered early warning systems. Can you picture the potential? Years from now, animal behavior might help save millions of lives by providing crucial early warnings. While humans rely on data-driven models, nature offers us this time-tested gift of instinct. These wondrous creatures offer us endless opportunities to learn more about our interconnected world. If anything, they teach us one critical lesson. We should tune into nature more than ever before. What do you think? Can animals predict natural disasters? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from fellow science enthusiasts. If this video sparked your curiosity, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with a friend, and hit subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more mind-blowing science content. See you in the next video adventure.